Hello, today we will discuss how to receive a weapon from repair. Click on Return from Repairs button. Now place fingerprint on Mantra device or enter Receiving Authority short name and click on Identify Receiving Authority button. It will display employee name on screen. Now place fingerprint of weapon returning employee or enter his short name and click on Identify Returning Employee button. It will display returning employee name along with his image. Scan the weapon barcode and click on Receive button. A pop-up will be displayed. Now place fingerprint of weapon receiving authority or enter his short name and click on Identify Receiving Authority button. It will display employee name and weapon details on screen. Click on Receive button. Asset received successfully message will be displayed on the screen. Weapon received from repairs process completed successfully. Thank you for watching the video.